5W.
Okay, because it just had one variable term and one constant term. And how did you solve it? Multiplication?
Yeah, I didn't divide both sides.
You divide both sides by the coefficient of the x term, of the variable term. Okay. What was the hardest problem that you saw or heard? Anybody? Okay, did everybody hear that, Marcus?
Yes.
I asked, what's the hardest one you saw? And you said the one that had a 0. Okay, and in fact it was something divided by something equals 0.
Oh, crap.
How many terms does this have?
Like terms.
Just
one.
It has 2 terms, the constant on one side, and this is a little harder to recognize that this is one term. Because remember, terms are parts of an expression that are separated by plus or minus. So t divided by 4 is actually just one term. And think of it as 1/4 of t. And what did you do, Sophie?
Divided.
Divide?
No. Multiply.
Yeah, you multiply to undo division. Because that simplifies. And then t equals, and this is the funny thing, 0 times anything is 0. Okay. So what I'm going to give you now is a sheet of problems that should look pretty familiar. And your job for the rest of the period, and if you don't finish it, it becomes homework, is to solve all of these. But in addition to solving this, I want you to make a note next to each problem. 1 step or 2 steps?
Glad you do it for homework.
Well, you're going to do it in here until the end of the period.